Hello everyone, I am Gavali, Department of English, GKG College, Kolhapur. Class Become 2nd, Semester 3rd. Subject English for Business Communication, Compulsory English. As the syllabus of this semester is divided in two parts. One part is communication skills and other part is related to reading comprehension. In this part, reading comprehension means it is expected from you that you must read the unit and try to understand it better way with the help of lectures. After reading that unit and understanding of it, you must be able to interpret that unit by your own. In this part, we will learn short stories, essays, poem, etc. So, topic of today's lecture is poem written by great American author and poet Maya Angelou. So, the title of today's poem which we going to learn is Phenomenal Woman. Phenomenal Woman is a poem written by Maya Angelou. So, let us see the introduction of the poet. Maya Angelou, 4th April 1928 to 28th May 2014. An American author and poet, is famous for her biographical contribution to literature. She has written 6 autobiographical volumes. Her first biographical volume, entitled I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, 1969, acclaimed her international fame. She was an active member of Harlem Writers Guild since 1950. She also participated in the civil rights movement in America and served as Northern Coordinator to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s Southern Christian Leadership Conference. She was awarded with more than 30 honorary degrees by different universities across the world. She won the prestigious Pulitzer Prize for her volume of poetry, Just Give Me a Cold Drink of Water for I Die. This is the introduction of the poet of Phenomenal Woman. Students, let us see the title of the poem, which is Phenomenal Woman. When we say phenomenal woman, what comes in our mind? If we say beautiful woman, and what we think about it, we start realizing a beautiful woman who is fair, tall, and appealing. This kind of woman are we going to see in this poem, or some different kind of woman we are going to see? This is a suspense of the poem. So, I request all of you to try to understand the title and think about it, what kind of title it may be. In this poem, what kind of woman we are going to see? Whether she is very fair, tall and appealing, or some other kind of woman. So, in order to know the answers of this question, what we need to know the exact poem and the interpretation of it. So I request all of you to understand this poem better way and to learn the significance of the title. What you have to do is to start reading this poem from your textbook, or you can search this poem and the writer on YouTube to understand before this lecture. So I request all of you to search the title of the poem on YouTube and listen the audio of this poem which is available on YouTube. When we see this audio and listen that poem, some points may be clear in our mind, and after that it will be helpful for us to understand this poem better way. In the next lecture, we will see the actual poem and try to interpret it to make you understand effectively. So I request all of you to read this poem and the information of the writer before next lecture. Thank you.